Welcome back to Woodcraft716.com. I'm Mike Weibel, and on this channel we try to create and inspire through woodworking. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon so you're notified of all the new content we have coming out. And just like that, let's get started. Today we're going to do a quick video on how I distress my farmhouse furniture and really give it that rustic look. So let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do when we're distressing is paint the whole thing brown, except the top. We'll spray paint the whole thing inside and out and get it good and brown. And now we're just going to start painting the whole thing white, except for the top. We'll get it all good and covered, and then we'll be ready to distress it. Okay, and this thing is painted white, top to bottom, it's good to go. Now we're going to start distressing it. And distressing it is really easy. The thing to keep in mind is you don't want to overdo it, because if you put a paste wax on with some steel wool, it may take off a little more. So stop just shy of what you think is perfect. So what we'll do here is I have the random orbit sander with some 120 grit on it. I'm just going to lightly hit those knots and any imperfections, and they'll come out looking real nice. I'm going to use a light touch, and I'm going to keep this sander moving the whole time. It's never going to stop. And we'll just go around until we get the desired look we're after. And now that we're done with the sander, of course we're going to have to hand sand all the spots the sander wouldn't reach. We'll have to sand the sill plate and the inside of the X's, and for that I'm going to use like a 60 grit sandpaper. So I'm just going to go ahead and sand it, and it'll leave some scratches and stuff like that, but we'll add some of those to the parts we already sanded and everything will look nice. And just like that, this thing's ready for finish. You can go straight to the paste wax, but I do like to put a thin coat of polycrylic on there. Just seems to seal it up good and give an even surface for the paste wax. You can spray it on or brush it on, it don't matter. And just like that, these are all nice and distressed. It takes us a little longer to distress this than it does for the normal farmhouse furniture. So you should charge a little bit more. But if you like this style, for an extra few steps, it really looks nice. I think they came out great, and they should hold up for a good long time. If you got any value out of this, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you distress your furniture. And just like that, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Just like that.